Today I want to show you my new emergency strobe lights I picked up. I didn't actually get these for myself. I got these from my local volunteer fire department. Sometimes it's hard for them to get funds, and I just wanted to do my part. So I really hope they'll be able to put these to good use. These right here look to be very quality made. One thing I can really appreciate about these is you put your suction cups here and stick these to your windshield. And then it's got this shelf right here that's going to meet up to your windshield. This is going to keep light from bleeding down on your dash and onto the inside of your windshield and causing a distraction while you're driving. So this little hood right here goes to the bottom, and it will keep the light going out into the environment rather than lighting up the inside of your vehicle. So the kit comes with two of these. They mount on either side of your windshield, and they got 32 super bright LEDs that show up even in the brightest sunlight. The LEDs have a 50,000 hour lifespan, which is going to get you many years of use. The housing is made of plastic, but it's durable and guaranteed not to warp in the bright, hot sunlight. The suction cups is the way you secure it to your windshield, and you don't have to have any tools at all. You just take them out of the box, install the suction cups, stick them to your windshield, and you're ready to go. This has a mode selection box that comes with it that you have inside the cab of your vehicle with you, that you can have 26 different patterns of lights. These are red and white for the EMS and the volunteer fire department. All different types of crews use lights like this. You got first responders, storm workers, law enforcement, EMS, tow trucks, construction crews, snow plows. All different types of people utilize emergency lights like this right here. This right here will get people's attention for miles away if you're on a flat enough terrain. These will be very bright, and they run off of a 12-volt system. It comes with a cigarette lighter plug. You plug it in, use your control box to set whatever mode you want it in, and then you head to the emergency where you must go. Let's get these installed now, and I'll show you just what they look like. All right, I'm gonna get these put together. And all we have to do is mount it to the windshield, connect, and then connect this wire to this wire. That links these two lights together, so the one control box will control the light. You'll notice that you have a lot of length to run your control box anywhere you need your control box, and you also have a lot of length of wire to run your cigarette lighter adapter from the lights to wherever your power source is going to be at. So now let's power this on. All right, there's mode 1, mode 2, mode 3, mode 4. Mode 4 is solid on. I know it doesn't look like it, but this right here tells me also that it's solid on. They're not flickering at all, even though the camera is showing them to be flickering. Mode 5. Press mode 5 again. Okay, mode 5 has other options under it. That's the second option. Let's go again. Third option. Ooh, that is cool. That is awesome. And then solid on. And then off again. That's incredible. These things are awesome. My son-in-law is going to love these. If you're looking for use some emergency lights to go on your windshield, these are terrific. I absolutely love them, and I believe you will too.